Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add more than 2 sounds to a TikTok video. By the end of this video, you'll know how to combine multiple audio tracks for a creative and dynamic video. To start, open the TikTok app on your device. If you're not logged in, make sure to sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new video. You can either record a fresh video by pressing and holding the red record button or upload an existing video from your gallery. Once your video is ready, tap the checkmark to move to the editing screen. On the editing page, look for the Sounds option, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open TikTok's sound library. From here, choose your first sound by searching for it or selecting it from TikTok's recommendations. Once you find the sound you want, tap Use to add it to your video. Now, to add a second sound, you'll need to go back to the editing page. Tap on the VoiceOver or Edit Audio option, depending on the features available in your app version. This option allows you to mix additional audio layers with your existing video. For the second sound, tap the Add Sound button again and repeat the process. Select the next sound you want to include and tap Use. TikTok will layer this new audio over your video. If you want to adjust the volume or balance between the two sounds, look for the Volume or Audio Editing option. Here, you can adjust the volume levels of each sound to ensure they blend well. If you want to include more sounds, you'll need to use a workaround. Save the current video with the two sounds by tapping on Save as Draft or downloading it to your device. Then open a new TikTok project and upload the saved video. Add another sound to this video by repeating the earlier steps. You can continue this process to add as many sounds as you like. Once you're satisfied with the combination of sounds and the video, proceed to the final editing screen. Here, you can add effects, text, or filters if needed. Finally, tap Next to go to the posting screen, where you can add a caption, hashtags, and choose your audience settings before publishing your video. That's how you can add more than 2 sounds to a TikTok video. This method allows you to create more engaging and layered content, helping your videos stand out. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.